Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. Thank you guys for watching today. I am going to be DIYing today. You guys see this plate here? It's actually a plate, but I turned it into a mirror. And I'm going to show you guys what I did to do that and the steps and everything that I used. So, hope you guys enjoy this. Just kick back, relax, and watch this video. Alright guys, so this is all the stuff that you're going to need for the project. We have a mirror, and then we have this stand like thing. It's like a little easel. That's what's gonna hold the mirror. Then we have the wax paper, glass plate, and then our paint brushes, and we have our glitter, and then we also have our glue, and then I have a plastic cup, and that's what I'll put the glue and the glitter in. I'll mix it together and I'll use that cup for that. So yeah, this is all that you need for this project, and so we'll just get right into it. Okay, so I got my plate, and then I also have my mirror, and I am going to be gluing the mirror down to the plate, and that is when I'm going to be using the Mod Podge, Hodgepodge, however you want to say it. But anyway, I am going to be gluing that down, and that's what's going to make it stick for us. That way it don't fall off and break, because we don't need no bad luck, 7 years, whatever they say, whatever that superstition is. But yeah. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. So I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let the video play and let you guys watch. Okay, so now that we got that part done, we are going to be starting with the paint. So I am going to be using 3 different colors, and basically I'm just going to kind of splatter the paint and overlap it basically. And then after I do that, I will lay the paper, the other piece of wax paper, I will lay that on top, and I will smush it, kind of smooth it out basically, where all the paint kind of runs together, and that's what'll kind of give me that look that I'm going for. I don't know what you want to call it, marbled look, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right here. And when I get done doing that, I am gonna put it on the plate and then just go from there. Alright, once again I am using the Mod Podge and the glitter, and I'm going to be mixing the two together, and that's what will give that sealed finish look. And it also have a glossy finish to it too, so it'll have that nice shine to it when we're done. Yes, it's time for my favorite stuff, glitter. I love glitter. I love anything that has the shine to it. So yeah, we're using this gold glitter paint. And I am just going to start painting it all around the mirror. And yeah, also you guys can add designs to it. Whatever you guys want to do, you can put your own personal touch to it. But yeah, I just decided to add glitter, like I said, because I love glitter. Glitter is my favorite. I just love how it shines and sparkles. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. And I'm basically just gonna let it air dry as well for about 20 to 30 minutes. And you guys will see the finished product in just a second. Yes, I love how it turned out, you guys. I think it kind of looks like a galaxy look, a space look. I don't know, but I really, really like how it turned out. So yeah, you guys let me know down below. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. And also share my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys continue to watch my videos and enjoy my channel. Peace and God bless.